What's up everyone, my name is Bryce and welcome to the first episode of the brand new series where we will be highlighting incredible creators, photographers, videographers who are pushing creativity in ways that genuinely inspire me and hopefully will inspire you as well. And today we're starting really strong because today we are talking about a creator I've known since college, a guy who is unbelievably kind, super creative, and works really hard. Plus has built a brand without even showing his face for the majority of his videos. Today, we are celebrating Donnie Jacob Media. So let's rewind for just a second. Before the viral videos, before the iconic microphone, before cast members knew him by name, Donnie was just like a lot of us. Someone experimenting online, posting videos with random people, having fun, learning the craft, and finding his voice. And that's one thing I loved about Donnie's story. He didn't start by having it all figured out. He started by creating, by trying new things. So here's the cool part. One day, Donnie started making videos with Disney cast members. Not actors, not celebrities, just the people who bring the magic to life every single day. He'd ask fun questions, capture genuine reactions, and of course, snap these really amazing, creative, good photos as part of the moment. And something clicked. The internet loved it. These weren't just videos, they were positive, creative, beautifully shot interactions with real people who deserved the spotlight. Donnie wasn't the star, the cast members were, and that was the magic. One of the things that makes his content really unique is the POV filming style. We don't see Donnie's face, we see what he sees. His camera becomes our eyes, his microphone with that instantly recognizable logo becomes a symbol of the moment. It shifts the focus completely onto the people in front of them, their reaction, their joy, their stories. And speaking of being recognizable, there's an epic moment in an interview where actor Malachi Barton recognizes Donnie not by his face but by the microphone.
What up, what up?
What up, what up?
Let's go. Yeah, you can hand it and pass it around.
You're that guy.
Yeah.
Like imagine creating a brand so strong that someone can spot you by your gear. Isn't that wild? And it just shows you how intentional Donnie's creative identity has become. Today, Donnie is doing what every creator dreams of, making consistent, uplifting content that people genuinely love. His videos aren't just fun. His photos aren't just beautiful. His whole platform is a reminder that creativity doesn't need to be loud or complicated or egocentric. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is highlight someone else.
My mission? To share the beauty of people. I would do this by stopping complete strangers, giving them a compliment, and asking if I could take their portrait. In just 1 year, we reached over 60 million views with 5 million likes and made countless friendships, which is definitely my favorite part. Just amazing. You can walk up to a complete stranger and under a couple minutes, you can leave with a friend. And a huge thank you for supporting my Disney cast member series. It's been such an honor to highlight the people behind the magic.
So you might be wondering what's next for Donnie. Here's what I'm predicting. A full Disney cast member documentary project, maybe a creator collaboration with bigger influencers, on-site events at Disney parks more often, a published portrait series of cast members, and maybe interviewing and really capturing new casts that come along like he did with zombies. It would be really cool to see him interacting and interviewing up-and-coming stars with each premiere as Disney, maybe Disney Channel, continues to grow. You might be wondering, why is this important? I really wanted to start episode 1 with talking about Donnie, not just because I know Donnie outside of his content, but because his journey reminds us that you don't need permission to start. You don't need to know the end of the story before you begin. You just need to hit record, share what you love, and follow the ideas that make you feel alive. Donnie didn't go viral by chasing trends. He went viral by creating something meaningful. So if you're a photographer, a filmmaker, a creative person of any kind, take this as your sign to start. Make something today, even if it's small. You never know what idea is going to change everything. Huge shout out to Donnie. Dude, if you're watching this, thank you for adding more light and creativity to the world. If you want to check out his work, his Instagram and YouTube are linked down below. And if you want more episodes highlighting amazing creators, hit that like button, subscribe button, and comment which creator we should feature next. Until next time, get out there and create something magical. I'll see you next time. Peace.